So, you guys know how when we do, we do lots of those ring stick-up cams. When we do our pre-wires, what do we stick up in the soffits?
One of these bad boys.
One of those bad boys, the Cat 6. And that's because the ring stick-up cams can actually be powered by PoE, which is power over Ethernet. And we just happen to have 2 Ethernet cables right here. It's actually 1 Ethernet cable that we're got either end, because we need this for this little project that we're doing right now. But we thought it'd be fun to start off because we need to run it in one of our PoE ports here in the office. That we're gonna do a little test and see who can terminate their Cat 6 the fastest, put their RJ45, and then we're gonna test and see if anyone screws it up. Okay, so we're gonna start. Here's the timer, right here. Don't touch it. Put it down.
It's gonna fall through. Well, put something heavy there.
I'll hold it with my foot.
There.
There we go. And then once you grab it, it'll
Winner gets a raise. $15 raise. $15 an hour raise.
Okay. We'll see about that. Okay. So I'm gonna start this. Ready?
Oh.
On your marks.
Hands off, hands off.
Get set. Go. What are we doing here? Okay. So we have our category 6 twisted pair wires.
It is so sweaty up here.
Sorry. That was me. I'm the problem, it's me.
Yeah, it is like my fingers literally aren't twisting this because of how sweaty they are.
So we have our RJ45 that we're going to use. These are the ones we like to use the most. They're very easy because they're pass-through. Some old school people really hate pass-through RJ45s, which I have no idea why you wouldn't like that. You weren't even ready for it. Why are you taking it back from?
Bro, because... Oh, I need to check this.
You should have that memorized.
I know, I really should.
I've got it memorized.
You actually?
Yeah, I should have played along. So at CEDIA last year, they had this little testing station where they would do this, and they were checking to see who could do it the fastest. There was a guy there that did it in like 42 seconds.
That's actually crazy.
I know, it's crazy. So these guys don't like it because I go in reverse from them, color-wise, but it works for me. Oh, someone might... Oh, you guys are pretty close. Doing a little trim right there to get them all even. I like it. Oh!
No! Oh, I got jammed up.
Oh, Mig.
I'm totally out.
You gotta keep going, though.
Did you guys notice what happened is that I straightened all my wires and he probably didn't, huh?
He straightened them, I saw. Okay, lap. I'm doing lap so that we can do total.
Dude, my heart is racing.
Okay, Miggy Schlot.
Bro, mine is not going in. I don't know why.
What's he having problems with here, Logs? Oh, that should go in. Oh, there you go.
Finally.
Did it pinch it?
We are.
Sorry, I was just over here daydreaming because this is taking so long.
Funny guy.
We'll have a rematch at some point. Just don't have me do it because I suck at these now.
Really?
I used to be fast, but
What happened?
I don't do them anymore.
Look at this mess. Because you're the big boss now.
There you go. That trims that little end. Okay, show everybody your finished product. Hold it up. Look at that. Nice and deep in there. You don't want to have... I can't tell you how many times I've gone out to a job and you don't even get the jacket shoved all the way into the RJ45 and it's all loose.
Yeah, bro. Some people be terminating them and it'd be like all the way out here. You got just wires hanging out. You know, when Cat 6 gets untwisted, it loses its computing ability to send signal to itself.
It loses its speeds.
Yeah. So.
Oh, I forgot to hit stop on you. Sorry, buddy.
How long did I do it? 1 minute and 44 seconds.
1:44. 2:13 for Maguire. Okay. So, now we got to test it. So with this Fluke Networks tester, you guys know how to test it. I guess you get the dumb end.
Yes. Put your cap on.
This end right into the RJ45.
Okay. Put yours in there.
27 feet, and you see all the pairs are perfectly matched up.
Oh man, guess what? I would actually take correctness over speed any day. So you both got A++ for correctness.
Let's go.
Oh, actually, I was correct and fast, actually.
Well, actually. So, good job, guys. I'm proud of you. You both did wonderful work.
Thanks.
Terminating it correctly on the first try. So we are going to open this now and start to get it on and configured within our system. Every good technician has a knife in their pocket.
Always.
Am I right?
Always.
Oh, the Milwaukee. This is the... Actually, this isn't. This is from Lowe's. It's the Husky Special.
Mine
Got
got
the
dropped
fast
behind the
back.
fireplace.
Fastback. Oh, yeah. Who dropped yours behind the fireplace?
I don't know.
Oh, lost tools forever. I can't tell you how many tools have been lost in the nether forever.
You're telling me.
Oh, this thing is beefy. It's heavy. What's in the bottom of this?
Power cord.
Power cord. I'm going to set this here. We'll see what's in here. I think this is just probably mounting hardware. This is the first time any of us are seeing it. So, oh, you can also power it via USB-C. Anybody
That's
need a free
lame.
USB-C cable?
Yes.
Okay,
Getting a new iPhone soon.
Ooh.
Stay tuned.
And then we got some weatherproof connectors here because I think it has the ability. Let's toss that over there for right now. Keep that because it probably has
Aqara.
the thing for scanning it, the QR code to scan it and add it to our HomeKit. This is fairly heavy. One of my big questions is what sort of mounting points it's got to mount it to inside of a home or on a soffit somewhere.
I did not have that question.
I always have that question. So this is one of the problems I actually have with all of these. This is one of the things I don't like about the stick-up cam either. Is I just feel like that is kind of janky. Like, I don't know. It just looks not very finished. Anyhow, so if we did our job right, this should just power up as soon as we plug it in. Oh, I see a light! Let there be light! Let's go. Okay, so here we are at our shop, and I am going to just click the plus button, and we're going to say add accessory. And it says scan the QR code, so we're going to spin it around. And see how there's two QR codes? You do not want to get the Aqara QR code. So I'm going to, oh, whoopsies. I'm going to stick my finger over it so I don't accidentally get it.
What's wrong with that other QR code?
It's a different one, and so it's not going to configure
Oh,
it.
it's for the Aqara.
It's for the
not
app itself,
HomeKit.
yeah. There we go. That was easy. So now we're going to go like
That
this.
was easy.
Add to home. Where should we put this so that, like, where do you think we should permanently put this camera to test it?
The account is bound successfully. Welcome aboard.
Oh, we're bound.
Let's do
Bound
it
together.
on your desk and have Eric face cam.
No, let's make this one Greg's desk, and we'll call this.
Greg face cam.
This will be Greg face cam. So that we
Greg
can,
baby cam. Baby monitor.
I realized I haven't looked at the camera once. I've been staring at this thing the whole time. That's not going to make great content at all.
No.
We are going to add it to Greg's office because I think that'd be funny.
Greg baby
Then
monitor.
when he comes in, he's going to be like, what is this camera doing? Should we call it Aqara Camera G5? What should we name it? We're going to call it Greg's desk.
Greg's desk. Then whenever we call him, and if he doesn't pick up, we can check to see if he's just not answering our calls. If he's actually at his
He's
desk.
going to love it. Stream and stream. So when away, we're going to stream and allow recording. That way it records. Oh, guess what? We don't have iCloud, a big enough iCloud subscription here at the office to be able to do that. But with iCloud and HomeKit Secure Video, you can set it up so that it will record directly into your iCloud account, and all that video is stored there securely, end-to-end encrypted, so nobody else can get access to it. But for now, we're just going to set it up as stream. Continue. It's got a motion sensor. Obviously, you can tell that. Fly, you're going to die. It has a motion sensor. It's got a light on it, just like most Ring cameras. And so, hit continue here. We're not going to set up any automations for right now. All I want to do is get this online. I'm going to allow Maguire to look at it. Yeah. Continue. Now let's say done. Oh, I see us.
Yo, that just clipped me. And you. And Maguire.
I wonder if it's running an update.
Clipped all of us.
Oh, you know what the problem is? I just realized my VPN's on.
Oh.
I guarantee that's what the problem is.
Skid, bro. Turn that.
Okay, hold on. Turning
Turn that
off.
little bro off. Hey.
It was. Okay, it was VPN the whole time.
Turn that volume down. Oh. That is so 6'7".
So there we have it. So, 9 times out of 10, they also say user error. This was all user error. I had some
Let's check
settings.
the quality of this bad boy.
Oh yeah, go ahead and pull that bad boy off. So this camera also has some additional features. If you go into this,
it wasn't covering any of the lenses.
well, we're gonna try the light out. Ready?
Whoa.
Oh, that is so bright.
1%.
There we go. Can you see that? So bright.
Oh yeah. Let's view them.
Oh, here, let's go like this. Ready? Hello, our friends.
Yo, check out that camera setup.
Shee!
Whoa. Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes of behind the scenes. Behind the scenes.
Not everyone gets to see that.
We should film a skate video on this thing. So fisheye core.
Hey, we should do that and get like the big battery that Greg has, the DJI battery, and like put it on its own skateboard, and then connect this with a PoE injector, and then just follow and do a full-on legit recording.
That would be aura.
All right, we're gonna put it in Greg's office and see if he ever notices. We're not gonna tell him anything, and we're gonna put it in a totally obvious spot and see if he actually notices. We're even gonna let the cables hang all over the place and not even tidy him away, and just see if he comes in tomorrow and has any input on that.
I'm gonna run it in front of his computer screen. You probably still won't notice. Let's see. Is this noticeable?
Yo, get back to work.
Anyhow, that's what we've got. We'll test it out. We'll get it installed in its permanent location, and we'll get back to you on what we think of this camera after all the user error issues are resolved. So thanks for watching.